the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 will be launched in New York City in just over a month, and the leaks for the device simply do not want to stop. At this time, we do not expect radical changes in the phablet, aesthetically or otherwise. It is rumored that Samsung will resume the iterative approach once again, while the Korean technological giant seeks to refine the characteristics of Note 9. The leaks and rumors have shown a dual rear horizontal camera configuration with the fingerprint sensor as some of the only external changes in the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Most of the leaks and reports from the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 that have emerged so far they relate to its shape and design. Few attend to the specifications and even less provide us with critical function updates that Samsung could use as points of sale. The company's Galaxy S9 line has had a disheartening performance this year in terms of units shipped and, therefore, the company has received a lot of pressure for the launch of its event that will take place on the 9th of this month.